1. One sentence clarification. PCB versus PCBA. The PCB is the bare green board like a skeleton, while PCBA is the living heart with chips and resistors installed. It's what makes the device run. Core assembly. 2 key processes. SMT modern mainstream. Placement of microcomponents. Solder paste printing, stencil printing. High-speed robotic placement, tens of thousands per hour. Reflow oven to melt solder and secure components. Gut reliable veterans. Mounting durable components, for example, connectors. Component leads inserted into sockets. Wave soldering to melt solder and secure. Most devices use both. SMT for small components. Gut for durable parts. 3. Professional assembly. More than just parts placement. Pre-production inspection. Conduct DFM checks to identify design flaws early, for example, component proximity issues. Mid-production sourcing. Manage component procurement and supply chain logistics. Post-production testing. OE defect scanning. X-ray inspection for hidden solder joints. Functional power on testing, ensuring operational readiness. 4. The crux. Assembly quality determines success. No matter how brilliant the design or how premium the parts, poor assembly ruins it all. Kaboer specializes in precision assembly, transforming your design into a reliable art. You focus on the big picture. Design complete. Talk to Kaboer and turn it into a working product.